Hi guys, it's Friday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Can you guys see where I am? I am at Aldi. Alright, so I know I want to get some baby spinach for smoothies. And this looks really fresh, so I'm gonna grab this. Alright, I think I'm gonna wait until they are finished unloading everything over there in the fruit and vegetable section. She's actually taking some items out of the box, so I'm gonna look around a little bit while she does that. But so far I have these watermelon spears. I have some red seedless organic grapes. I have this sweet butter lettuce right here, and some baby spinach. And like I said, I'll go back over there in a minute once she's finished putting everything out, but I'm going to look around a little bit more. I have never purchased seafood out of Aldi. Not sure if they even have seafood. So I'm going to look over in the meat section. So here's the seafood section. I was thinking or hoping that they would have like some fresh seafood that wasn't frozen. However, I don't see any that's not really frozen. So I guess I will be passing on the seafood today. These look really good. I've never seen these Italian breadsticks, and they come with butter and marinara sauce. These would be so good for pizza night and a salad. This looks really good. Oh my gosh. And these have bacon on them, and they also come with the garlic butter sauce and the marinara sauce. Chase would love this. Let me see, which one would he want? The ones with cheese or the ones with bacon? How much are they? I don't see the price. Okay, these are $3.79. I'll get in the ones with the bacon. And I think I'll get Chase these also. These 6-inch pepperoni pizzas. They're twin, 2 in the pack. And they're only $3.99. Typically, he gets the one, I forget the brand name for those, but they're $3.99 by themselves for just one, and here you get 2 for $3.99. So I'll get these for him today. I think what I'm doing today is getting items that I don't need, or items that I didn't really come in here for, but I think it's okay because the prices are just so good here in Aldi. And believe it or not, I have actually I've been missing going into the grocery store, you know, since we started doing the click list. And then I'm here by myself. Chase is in school, Eric's at home, so I'm really enjoying just being in here shopping at my leisure, and the store is pretty much empty. Yes. Oh, here's some fresh seafood here. So they have some tilapia. Oh gosh, that looks great. Garlic and herb tilapia. Let's see. This looks just like a regular tilapia. I think I'll get these meatless meatballs. I have really been enjoying another variety of meatless meatballs, so I'm gonna give these a try. Hopefully they are really good. Let's see. These have soy, protein, onion, garlic, and basil. These have the same thing except with parsley. I think I'm going to get some of these avocados. I want to have these for breakfast. The only thing is they're like ridiculously hard. So it's going to take a few days for those to ripen up, but they're only 79 cents. Alright, so as you can see, this is a little bit melted now because I went into some other stores. Like I said, this is the garlic butter sauce, and this is the marinara sauce. It was frozen when I put it in the bucket, but as you can see, it's melted now. But this is the Mama Cozy's breadsticks, and these have bacon on them. I know somebody that's gonna love those. Here I have those twin pizzas. They're 6 inches. You get a cheese one, and then you also get a pepperoni. These were $3.99. That was a really good deal for those because we have purchased the name brand ones. I think I mentioned to you guys in Kroger for a lot more than that for just one. All right. Then I got these mini bagels for Chase's breakfast. He also requested some turkey bacon, so I picked that up. I needed some pumpkin pie spice, if it will focus. Got some of that. I got this baby spinach for smoothies. I got some peaches. I hope these are good because I've been craving peaches lately, so I hope those are nice and sweet. Got some Raisin Bran. I have really been enjoying the meatless meatballs in some of the other name brand varieties, so I wanted to give these a try, so I picked those up. I picked up some of this sweet butter lettuce, avocados that are like rock hard, solid, so it'll be a while before I eat those, but these are great with eggs and toast in the morning. I got some red seedless organic grapes. I needed some baking powder. I got some cream cheese for Chase's bagels. I got some flour tortillas, some watermelon spears, and lastly, I got some of these tortilla strips, chips, a really big size. These are like a couple of bucks. All right, and then, so that's everything from Aldi. Okay, so over here, I went into Home Goods, all right? And do you guys see this? Do you guys see this right here? This is a thing of beauty right here. This huge pineapple. I love it. It's an off-white cream color, and the top is a really pretty, almost gunmetal type of finish here on the top, and I got 2 of these. And guys, they were, can you guys see that? $16.99 each. All right, love this. Okay, love it. All right, if it will focus, yeah, there it is. Okay, so I picked up 2 of those. Then I went into Ross, and you know, just looking around, and I saw that they had these sheet sets. Guys, king sheet set. 4 pillowcases are included, plus the sheets, and $18.99 is what I paid. All right, $18.99. So I picked up 2 sets of those. Okay, here's the other one here. And then I just got some pillows, these little Calvin Klein King pillows. And that is it, guys. I am going to now go ahead and make me something for lunch because I am starving. All right, thanks for hanging out with me today. Really appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.